Hello, guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of the Thursday edition, yes, December the 23rd, 2021, and it's actually Sundays today. Today it's Sunday, December the 26th, the second Christmas day here in Holland. And on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so and the rest of the puzzles in the Friday edition are solved, so I've decided to continue with the Thursday edition. So in the Thursday edition I've already solved the 1 star, the 2 stars, the binary, and now it's time for the tectonic. Yes, tectonic number. This will be number 3887. 3887. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. And for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster. That's my time limit, than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box and there a single box. Single box always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see a dual box. There dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Here also a dual box. Well, here I do not know. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. 1 box left because the 1 is already filled here. So this box should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes. Here we have a triple box. I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? No quadra boxes at all. So it's time for recognizing some shapes, structures, constructions, or figures. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Alright, here we have an L shape. Remember, if you see the L shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shape in this puzzle here? Upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. All right. Then the following shape. How about this shape? All right. Here we have that shape. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. Wow. I have no space. Well, let me move this newspaper. I need to draw some figures. This will be difficult. Do we have more space? Here. Okay. All right. The following shape, the T shape here. Let me draw the T shape. If you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box, the same number as this box. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Alright. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, not rotated, but mirrored. It's mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Do we have more shapes? We have 2, 3, 4. This one. The last one. Oh, I overlooked this one. Look, this shape. This box has the same number as that box. I've already filled in the one. Okay. One more. Okay, here. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. But it cannot be a 1. We already have a 1 here. So this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. One box left in this dual box for the number 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there are more. But in this puzzle, only 5. Why you need to recognize? Because the next step, then it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then. These two boxes cannot be a 1, we have a double 1 here. These two boxes cannot be a 2, we have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 3. Alright. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be 1, those 2 boxes cannot be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 3, so this box should be a 1 then. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those, 2 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. Oh, we already have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. All right. Then. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. All right. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 box left in this triple box for the number 3. All right. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it could be 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. All right. Then let me think. Interesting. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Finish in 40 minutes. Yes, correct. Faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Because I've promised you to solve, because Christmas Day and the day after, there are not a lot of puzzles. This one, I hate those puzzles. Quintuplet. But yeah, let me do this later. Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. And yeah, one one big puzzle. Yeah, big puzzle is left. Time consuming, but it's yeah, it's a gift for you. Thank you. And bye bye. Yes, see you soon.